Hello, guys. Welcome to Celebrating Self, a talk show that brings live examples of some fabulous women who are a source of inspiration. I'm Karanjot Kaur, your host, and it gives me immense pleasure to introduce you to the guest of the day. She is Preeti Pasricha, a leader, a visionary, an excellent listener, an educator, and an author. Currently, she is the academic coordinator at CP Goenka International School, founder and CEO of EYES, that is Enlighten Yourself Every Session, the state vice president of WICCI Maharashtra Education Elementary Council, member of 2030 Youth Force India. Welcome, Preeti ma'am. It is an honor for us to have you here. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation and gracing our stage, our platform.
Thank you so much, Karanjot. In fact, I am honored and privileged to be invited on your show. As they always say that women need women. So one woman should always be inspiring and role model for other women. So yes, let's talk through this show and inspire each other. That will be the best thing that we can do.
Wow, that's so sweet of you. Ma'am, you have been 20 years in the education sector. Like, it was a long period, and you have evolved from a teacher to a leader. So, my first feeling is that how did you do that? Like, how has been your relationship with yourself that made you a leader? Like, it has brought out such a beautiful person in you.
Very good. How is my relation with myself? So, for this answer, I will ask you one question, Karanjot. मेरे एक क्वेश्चन में दो क्वेश्चंस है. If I ask you what do you love and what do you hate, what will your answer be?
What do I love about myself or anything?
Nothing. No, just in general. What do you love and what do you hate? Not about yourself. In general, what do you love?
I love traveling and I hate
and what do you
gossiping.
hate? No, only one. And you hate gossiping. Very good. Very good. So, what is the relation with myself? मेरा खुद का मैं बोलूँ तो I always say that I love to love and I hate to hate.
Oh wow.
So relationship with myself कुछ ऐसा है. The more I love everyone around me, the more I build a stronger relationship with me. Because ऐसा इसलिए भी and you as you started with that I have been since last 20 years in education. It's 20 plus years, 21 and a half years in education. But ये शुरू कैसे हुआ? When I was small, my family background, they were not financially good enough, so they thought of discontinuing with my studies. But I was the youngest in my family, so they plainly said that we cannot afford your fees, so let us discontinue with your studies. That was the very day, that very moment I thought कि I will not stop my own studies, but मुझे कोई और भी मिला लाइफ में तो मैं किसी का भी स्टडीज आगे ही बढ़ाऊंगी. I will learn and I will teach for sure. Then I told my parents कि आपके पास पैसे नहीं है, don't worry, I will start working. और आपके पास पैसे नहीं है, don't buy books for me. मैं फ्रेंड की बुक्स में से पढ़ लूंगी और जहाँ रही लिख के. जैसे हम बचपन में तो आजकल तो कोई लिखता नहीं है, पहले तो सब बोलते थे राइट 5 टाइम्स, राइट 25 टाइम्स, राइट 50 टाइम्स. मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को बोलती थी कि मैं ऐसे आई विल राइट इन द एयर एंड आई विल प्रैक्टिस, बट आई विल नॉट टेक मनी फ्रॉम यू टू बाय नोटबुक्स. मैं ऐसे हवा में लिखूंगी, एयर में लिख लिख के पढ़ूंगी, पर मैं अपनी पढ़ाई बंद नहीं करूंगी. सो बेसिकली मुझे लगता है कि जस्ट लाइक मदर टेरेसा, शी वाज इन दिस वर्ल्ड टू स्प्रेड काइंडनेस. मुझे लगता है कि भगवान ने मुझे एजुकेशन स्प्रेड करने के लिए भेजा, बिकॉज आई एम सो मच इनटू लव विद एजुकेशन. और मुझे काम करना बहुत पसंद है. सो दीज टू रिलेशंस आई मेंटेन विद माई सेल्फ, लाइक जस्ट वर्किंग फॉर द पीपल एंड वर्किंग ऑन सेल्फ थ्रू इंट्रोस्पेक्टिंग एंड थ्रू स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी. जो मुझे मेडिटेशन करना, स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी, लाइक रीडिंग द स्पिरिचुअल बुक्स, I love that a lot. And plus listening to music, I love a lot. Relationship again with myself is basically introspecting myself is what I love. और दूसरे लोगों को मैं कितना एजुकेट कर सकूं. When I was small, as I said कि मुझे काम करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. That is the prime relation of my with myself. When I was small, मैंने अपनी मम्मी को मैं पूछती थी कि ये सन लोग रात को सो क्यों जाते हैं, क्योंकि सोते हैं तो काम नहीं करते, फिर आए हैं इस दुनिया में तो काम करने के लिए आए हैं, लोग सो जाते हैं, काम नहीं होता है, हमारी देश की तरक्की नहीं होती है। तो माय मॉम यूज्ड टू से कि अगर लोग रात को जागेंगे तो लाइट जला के काम करेंगे, मतलब फिर से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सबका खर्चा होगा तो देश का नुकसान ही होगा ना, अच्छा उनको सोने दे। बट मैं फिर तभी तो बहुत छोटी थी तो मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आता था, तो आई यूज्ड टू टेल माय मॉम कि अगर ये सन यहाँ से जाता है तो कहीं तो जाता होगा, तो हमें वहां जाके काम करना चाहिए, लेकिन काम नहीं रोकना चाहिए, एवरीबॉडी शुड वर्क। सो बेसिकली मेरे घर पे सबको लगता है कि कितना काम करती है, एज लाइक बिफोर वी स्टार्टेड दिस मीटिंग यू वर आस्किंग मी दैट आपका शेड्यूल बहुत टाइट है। मैं अपना शेड्यूल रखती हूँ टाइट बिकॉज आई फील दैट वर्क इज द ओनली रेंट दैट वी कैन पे टू द मदर अर्थ। हम इस धरती पे रहते हैं, हमें भी तो कुछ रीपे करना चाहिए, तो वी शुड वर्क टुवर्ड्स द प्रोग्रेस ऑफ आवर नेशन wherever on whichever like part of the earth we live on. So we should be working until we are alive. So this is the relation that I keep with myself. I love to love, I hate to hate, and I introspect and I work a lot.
Wow, ma'am, just give a pinch to yourself. I want to give you
Okay.
a same pinch because no, because even I also like to have a very fixed schedule. I don't like to have like free time or wasting of my time. I don't like that. Thoda busy hota hai na, I love that day. But the day that where I have no work, I feel like something is missing. That's really inspiring, that how since your childhood you are into educating, you are into that feeling that you want to help people, and I know you're doing a fabulous job. The way you have transformed from a primary teacher to the academic coordinator, it means a lot, ma'am. And
Thank
you also and you talked about like you had certain problems, you had to face issues so as to educate your own self. So did you feel like there was some negativity that was surrounding you, something that you felt that I'm not nourishing myself, something is missing in my own inside, like a lack of self-worth? Do you feel that, or have you ever been through that you can say ha, this is the reason why I am lacking in that, and that's how you came out of that zone?
Actually, you know what, ये आजकल नेगेटिविटी इतना इजीली सीप इन हो जाती है लोगों के अंदर that how much ever positivity is around them, but still they get attracted towards negativity. They get attracted towards negativity as in they start thinking and talking about the negative people they have around them. पॉजिटिविटी से फोकस हटके नेगेटिविटी पे अपने आप चला जाता है। जैसे चांद किसी को दिखता नहीं है, चांद पे दाग जरूर दिख जाता है सबसे पहले, बिकॉज सबका ध्यान उस नेगेटिविटी पे पहले चला जाता है। आई विल start talking about this with a small quote. There is a small quotation that life isn't as serious as the mind makes it out to be. So it is all in the head. कुछ negative होता नहीं है. Whatever happens, happens for good. It's all in the head. I will repeat the quote again. It says that life isn't as serious as the mind makes it out to be. Basically, life is to live. If you start, एनालाइजिंग थिंग्स कि क्या पॉजिटिव है क्या नेगेटिव है भी या है भी नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि न्यूट्रल होके वन शुड वर्क। एंड देन देयर इज आल्सो अ मेडिटेशन टेक्निक कॉल्ड ट्रैकिंग बैक द थॉट. When we apply to our everyday life, it means that when we notice our mind has been caught up in a story, what we do is we try to slowly go back through the mental events to see how it has resulted in the current chaos in our mind. For example, मैं एक अपना छोटा सा एक anecdote बताती हूँ. The other day, actually, I was very annoyed and irritated with everyone around me. I don't know why did it happen, but then nobody had done anything wrong, but I was annoyed without any reason. And it wasn't that I had gotten आउट ऑफ द रॉन्ग साइड ऑफ द बेड. ऐसे कई बार बोलते हैं ना कि आज मैं बेड की गलत साइड से उठा तो मेरा सर दुख रहा है या मुझे बहुत नेगेटिव लग रहा है, तो ऐसा भी कुछ नहीं था. देन आई सैट एट माय कंप्यूटर एंड आई स्टार्टेड वंडरिंग दैट वेयर ऑल दिस फ्रस्ट्रेशन हैड कम फ्रॉम. देन आई थॉट टू माय सेल्फ, एज आई सेड सम टाइम अगो, दैट आई ऑलवेज इंट्रोस्पेक्ट. सो आई वाज थिंकिंग टू माय सेल्फ that before I got to work, I didn't feel happy. When I was driving my car, I didn't feel happy. When I left home, I was not feeling happy. So, what was I doing in the car? Then I remembered that I had been listening to. मेरे को आदत है, like whenever I in the kitchen I'm cooking, I put the radio on. So then I realized that I had been listening to the news on the radio, and something on the news had actually triggered a painful memory of mine. So it was the memory that brought with it the feelings of disappointment, anger, and betrayal. So suddenly there was an onslaught of emotions and negative thoughts that had arisen simply from a single thought that I had. Now, what do you think, Karanjot? Like, would it be practicing wisdom to blame the news for making me upset the morning? अभी हम क्या, जब भी हम नेगेटिव हो जाते हैं, हम किसी न किसी को blame करने लग जाते हैं. So either the, तो अभी मुझे क्या करना चाहिए था? Should I have been blame the news because I heard it, or would I have been wise to blame myself for having a memory arise in response to having heard something? या फिर would it be kind to blame my parents for giving me the car that I was driving in? Actually, no. None of these reactions would be considered very intelligent. I would say the wrong intention, the whole intention of tracing back the thought is to see how our mental stories arise from the interplay of many factors. They don't simply arise by themselves. They are built up of many components. Now, in my case, the frustration arose because of the news item which was read by the reporter, who like I would say, who sat in the office. वो खुद तो किसी रेडियो की बिल्डिंग में बैठा हुआ था on a chair probably. He just shared the news, but it triggered me. And then because like I was listening, and because of my memory that was working, and because I had actually turned on the radio and paid attention to it, so there are many more factors actually which I could list on here. But then, as I said in the quote very beginning, that it is all in the head. There is nothing negative, positive around. It is only what you are listening, how you are taking it to, and how you are relating it to. So we need to be clear in our thoughts that we have to be neutral. Positive, negative जैसा कुछ नहीं होता. Whatever happens for good.
Absolutely correct. It is like negativity is something that we try to emphasize on, but actually it is all what we perceive, what we are looking into, what we are focusing into. Absolutely right. And in fact, I would like to add on to one more thing, that this negativity, it is actually nothing. Nothing in the sense that if you want to give a blame to somebody, if you want to like move out of that zone, I was correct, but something in the situation is wrong. That is where the whole negativity issue arises, isn't it?
Right, definitely. मैं ना इसके लिए कुछ 4 चीजें बोलूंगी करणजोत. Like people should at least what they should do, they should resist the urge to judge or assume someone. So definitely negativity उनके पास नहीं आती है. And then they should dig deeper into people's things and actions, but they should stay out of the hole. You should dig deeper to understand people, not to get into their negativity. And you should always maintain positive boundaries and disarm their negativity. किसी की भी negativity, if you feel the person is negative or you're getting any negative vibes from someone, just disarm yourself from them.
Wow, that was a really valuable part that you have just shared. And this is something that we can actually do every day. These are the things that will actually help us to create such habits, and we'll never use the term of negativity or negative vibes, I'm sure. Now, ma'am, now I would like to come on to women. Like, you are a woman, I'm a woman, and each woman faces a lot in her life because she has to be through so many phases, and she takes active participation in everything, whatever she does. But there comes a problem wherein we tend to miss our own self. We tend to have a loss of relationship with our own self. Like the way you started, that there was something which had in you. You had something that, yes, I want to teach people, I want to learn. So now I would like to ask you, how do you look into this situation of having self-worth in women? Particularly the lack of self-worth that nowadays we are facing, and also we are ignoring it. We don't acknowledge that thing. So what is your view about that?
Karanjot, I would like to say lack of self-worth comes out of from two things. And one is self-doubt, two is self-love. अभी self-doubt कैसे ग्रो होता है, जैसे कोई इंसान कैसे कोई बीज बोता है और उसमें से पेड़ उगता है, तो सेल्फ डाउट का बीज आता है द पीपल हु आर around us, the people whom with we stay or whom with we talk to, our social friends, our relatives, our family, whoever. सेल्फ डाउट वहां से ही आता है. एज वी ऑल आर फीमेल्स, और फीमेल्स को सबसे ज्यादा अप्रिसिएशन और प्रेज चाहिए होता है. द मोमेंट दे डोंट गेट प्रेज एंड अप्रिसिएशन, दे गो इनटू सेल्फ डाउट. और सेल्फ डाउट है तो वहां पे फिर दे स्टॉप लविंग देमसेल्फ. सेल्फ डाउट से सेल्फ वर्थ, जो लैक ऑफ सेल्फ वर्थ हो जाता है, एंड देन दे डोंट लव देमसेल्फ, दे स्टार्ट हेटिंग देमसेल्फ, दे थिंक दैट दे आर लैकिंग समवेयर. So basically, we should not wait for anybody else's appreciation or love or praise. If you are satisfied with whatever you have done, you need not wait for anybody else's appreciation and praise. Why don't you start self-praising, self-appreciating? If anybody else's appreciation matters a lot, so the question here arises is, are you working only to get appreciation? No, definitely no. You're working, whatever you're doing, whether it is at home in personal life or in your professional life, you're doing it for your own self. Everything starts from your own self. This does not mean that you're being selfish. If there is no self, if there is no you, where is your identity?
Correct.
So if you are not there in this world, so there is nothing. If you are just existing physically and then you are nowhere emotionally in people's mind, then again you are nothing. So better you start with your own self. You need to create your presence, not just to be felt and seen by others, but for yourself. You are somebody. You did not need to know this from anybody else, that whatever you are doing is not for anybody else, it's only for you. So start with self-love and start with self-praise and appreciation. Even if you don't appreciate yourself, if you are satisfied and contented with whatever you are doing, definitely you will not crave for anybody else's self-appreciation. If you are satisfied, there will be no lack of self-worth. And why actually females में ही ज़्यादा होता है, they keep on thinking that they are not good at anything, they are not worth anything. The better I don't do, I'm not good at if I'm a working woman, I'm not getting to balance my professional life and personal life, that means I'm not good at balancing relations, I'm not good at balancing work and personal life. This self-doubt comes because people around you are not appreciating that whatever you're doing good. Only women appreciate women, but then as women we also expect appreciation from everybody in the family. Once they don't get that, and then it leads to lack of self-worth. But don't wait for anybody else appreciating you. Start appreciating your own self. Start with your own self and appreciate others, all others around you.
Yeah, very true, ma'am. Your words were very to the point. Actually, the thing is that our society has made us, it has inculcated such seeds that we tend to doubt ourselves and we wait for validations. We wait for other people's remarks that yes, you are good. I remember it happens at many times, even if when we cook, we want people to tell us that yes, it is tasty today. And the day somebody says something negative, we feel it more. Why? Because we were never appreciated for what we have done. So it is something like a give and take thing. The more you love, the more we will be able to give back the same love.
Right.
So have you ever been at such a position wherein you criticized yourself or you felt that doubt? Any such situation which you would like to share with us?
Criticize मैं अपने आप को बहुत करती हूँ, but I have never doubted my own self. अभी मैं criticize अपने आप को इसीलिए करती हूँ because I don't know, because by birth sign I am Virgo, तो perfectionist हूँ, and then of course women are always perfectionist. I want to say this on the platform for whoever are watching that women are perfectionist. तो इसीलिए मैं अपने आप को क्रिटिसाइज बहुत करती हूँ. और क्यों करती हूँ? बिकॉज एक ही रीजन के लिए, दैट आई डोंट गेट टू स्पेंड टाइम विथ माय ओन सेल्फ. हम सबके लिए सब कुछ तो करते हैं, बट व्हेनेवर आई डोंट गेट टाइम टू स्पेंड विथ माय सेल्फ इज द टाइम व्हेन आई स्टार्ट क्रिटिसाइजिंग माय सेल्फ दैट आई एम डूइंग एवरीथिंग फॉर एवरीवन. पर मुझे बुक्स रीडिंग करने के लिए टाइम चाहिए, मुझे गाना सुनने के लिए टाइम चाहिए, मुझे मेडिटेशन करने के लिए टाइम चाहिए. एंड व्हेन आई डोंट गेट ऑल ऑफ दिस टाइम फॉर माय सेल्फ, देन आई स्टार्ट क्रिटिसाइजिंग. बाकी if it comes on work, then I don't criticize ever, because as women we give the best. मुझे नहीं लगता है कि कोई भी woman must not be doing their best, their maximum for their home and their professional life. So वहाँ पे तो criticize करने का सवाल ही नहीं आता है, और किसी को करना भी नहीं चाहिए, ना ही खुद को, and nor you should allow people around you to criticize you. So, but then yes, if you are not getting time to spend with yourself, you should criticize yourself and start working on that so that you spend more time with yourself. And what else did you ask, Karanjot? Sorry, I forgot.
I asked you any situation where you doubted yourself or you criticized yourself or you had to face some certain situations, certain things.
That yes, you asked about doubt, right? So by God's grace, I have not doubted myself ever. It is totally again God's grace. This is not confidence or overconfidence, but by God's grace, I have not doubted myself. Why? Because I know that whatever I do, I will be giving my 100%. So I am not even 100%. All the women do this, that they give more than 100%. उनके लिए 100% तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है, सेंचुरी करके कुछ नहीं होता है. It is always beyond 100%.
Right.
So as a woman, I have always done that. So my doubt, I have never ever doubted on my skills, on my work. But yes, I have criticized not once, but quite a many times. Whenever I don't get to spend time with myself is the time when I have criticized myself.
Wow. Ma'am, it is like one sentence that you said, that we women are actually perfectionists. And I feel that being a perfectionist makes us more on the side where we tend to have a bad relationship with ourselves, because we are so busy in being the best mother, the perfect wife, the best chef ever. Like we want to do everything for everybody. But when it comes to our own selves, we are like, it's okay, अरे अपनी तो बात है, फिर कर लेंगे.
तो criticize yourself for this. Whenever we think this, कि अपनी ही तो बात है, then criticize yourself.
So how should one take out time? Like आपने बोला कि by God's grace you have never doubted yourself. So and you should spend your time with your own self alone. तो कभी-कभी होता है you cannot, and sometimes you don't feel the need. First thing is we don't acknowledge, and the second thing is that we don't try to take out that time. तो उसके लिए what should one do? Like for women, what should be the priority list according to that?
हम कितनी बार बोलते हैं ना कि अरे मैं इसको इतने साल से जानती हूँ, बट मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था कि ये ऐसी है, इसका असली रंग मुझे अभी पता चला. कितनी बार हम ऐसे बोलते हैं? नहीं बोलते हैं कि मुझे ये तो पता ही नहीं था कि ऐसी भी है, आज मुझे इसका असली रंग पता चला. बट ऑल द वुमेन, इफ आई आस्क यू वन क्वेश्चन, दूसरों को जानने से पहले क्या आपने खुद को जानने की कोशिश की है? तो खुद को जानने के लिए अपने लिए तो टाइम निकालना ही पड़ेगा. अनलेस यू डोंट सिट विथ योरसेल्फ, हाउ विल you realize that what is the true you? So before saying that I know this person or I don't know this person, ask yourself one question: whether do you know your own self? Sit with yourself, sit and try and know who are you, and try and know what are your limits, how can you go beyond your limits. Try and find out ways for that. Once you start doing that, you will start loving yourself, and there will be no lack of self-worth, and you will be sufficient for yourself. We actually don't need anyone. The man's best company is he or her own self. So be your own company. Start doing this. You will love this. Trust me, you will love this. Start sitting with your own self. Start loving your own self. Again, loving yourself does not mean being selfish. सबसे पहले women को यही doubt आता है कि मैं खुद से प्यार करूंगी तो then I am selfish. It is not about being selfish. You are doing the same to yourself that you want to do to others, but always start with yourself.
Wow, that was truly an enriching statement that you just said right now. I'm sure everybody can resonate with your energy and your feelings the way you have just spoken all of that. Now, I would like to ask you one question which we ask every guest over here, and that is, according to you, what is that one quality, one habit that every woman should adapt so that she can instill the self-belief in herself? Like right now, I'm remembering one more thing. I'm sorry to disturb you. Like recently, Harnas Kaur Sindhu has become our Miss World, Miss Universe, right? And her winning answer was about self-belief only. That we are nowadays very much missing this quality of believing our own selves. We tend to miss onto this, and we fall into that, you can pray that prey of doubting and just letting it go and staying wherever we are right now. So what should be that quality that one female can adapt? So now I would like to hear out from you.
I would say, as females, before waking up, before coming out from your bed, give some time to yourself. Before hitting the bed, give some time to yourself. So before starting your day, spend time with yourself. Before you end your day, spend time with yourself. Please start doing this. Once you do this, your whole day will be positive, energetic, and you will get positive outcome in whatever and wherever you go. You will definitely get this. Try and adapt this practice, and maybe if you can bet, I'm telling this to the viewers, if they get back to you, Karanjot, they can give us their feedback that if they have started doing this, spending time with themselves before getting out from the bed and before hitting the bed, and what positive changes have they found in their life, that will be really of great help for all of us. We need feedback from our viewers, Karanjot, on this.
Yeah, of course. I would also request all our viewers, all our listeners to respond us back if they find this useful, because it truly is a mantra. And I have been through such situations. I have doubted myself. And this was the main reason how I could come out, how I am where I am right now. So that is the thing, that is the reason why we are over here, why we are celebrating ourselves. Because as females, we are perfectionists, but we should remember that we have a power. I call it the divine power. Feminism is a divine power, and we need and we need to acknowledge that we are the owner of so many hats, and the grace of God upon us is that we are still so graceful in whichever field we enter into. And today, I would say this century is like an example for everybody. You enter any field and you'll find good women leaders, you'll find good professionals, you'll find good homemakers, and they're doing a fabulous job. So it's time that we start recognizing ourselves, acknowledging ourselves, and creating a good relationship with ourselves. Thank you so much.
Before we end the show, I would just like to ask you one question. If in your next birth, if God asks you, what do you want to become, a female or a male, what will you say?
If it would be in my hands, I would still say I would love to be a female, so that I can help, I can be of service to the society. Because as a female, you do so many things which a male cannot do. And one of that factor is multitasking. I know there will be many men who say that yes, we can multitask, but I can bet on this, that the way we multitask, that way no man can do that. It is literally a power, a magic that we are bestowed upon. So multitasking is something that we can do perfectly. And one more thing is, we manage our times very well.
Yes.
In the sense that we can handle our families, we can handle our work, and we can handle all the other things on the same page, like without any problems. The same thing whenever it happens with the males, they get frustrated actually.
Yes, so, definitely.
Do you believe in this or not?
I believe in this. Abhi main bolungi, now you pinch yourself. Pinch. Because even I am of the same opinion that I will also, I will also ask God to make me a female again in my next birth, because I would also like to be of service to people around, and bringing birth on this earth, like we give birth to children, that in itself is such a big thing. Nobody else, only we as females can do that. So I love that, getting lives on earth and being kind to them and being of service to them. So same pinch.
Same page, ma'am, same page. But don't worry, we are not going to end now. Okay. First of all, I would like to thank you for sharing your beautiful examples, your awesome formulas, and I'm sure every listener, every viewer would get some takeaway from our talk today. Now, before we end, we have a surprise for you. And that surprise is a rapid fire round.
Okay.
So I'll be asking you 5 questions, and you have to be very quick in answering me.
अब मुझे वो करण जौहर एंड कॉफी विद करण वाले शो की फीलिंग आ रही है.
Come on, I have to be in sync with my name, no? Come on, we
Okay.
share.
Yes, right.
In fact, this reminds me sometimes some of my friends during my college time, they used to tease me. Arey, my name is Karan Jot. Okay, so they used to be, you are also Kejo. I'm like, no, I'm Karan Jot Kaur, I'm not Karan Johar.
Right, actually.
So let me
जल्दी पूछो, मुझे डर लग रहा है. What is this rapid fire round? What questions we have to answer?
No, I hope this is going to be fun and an interesting way to know more about you.
Okay.
So my first question is, what is your favorite part of a holiday? Like, you love to work, but still we would like to know, what is your favorite part of a holiday?
Just lazing around on the sofa and watching Netflix for the whole day.
Oh, that is so not you, I think.
No, but then I do that after a few months. मैं ऐसा break पे जाती हूँ, detox break completely. phone को हाथ नहीं लगाऊंगी and I only sit and watch TV. I do that. I actually do that.
Wow, that's a different I would say angle of you that we have just disclosed.
If we talk about a particular day, but then especially if I'm going on for a vacation, I would like to go into a naturotherapy wellness resort where I can take care of my body, where I can take my body into a garage, into a wellness garage.
Wow, that's something awesome. So my next question is, any one habit that you have left, a habit that you have left and you are proud of leaving that.
One habit, I used to trust people very easily. So now I have left trusting people. I have not left as in, but I have added something to it. Trust but verify. Otherwise, I used to trust blindly. Now I verify and then trust. So I have added something to the bad quality of mine so that it becomes a good quality.
So kudos to you. That is an awesome thing that even I want to absorb, and I am still on the learning stage of that.
That comes with too many of betrayals. Then you learn how to trust and after verifying.
That's saddening. My next question is, who is your inspiration and why?
Mother Teresa.
Oh, you named her in the start as well.
Yes, Mother Teresa and Indira Gandhi. She was the first female Prime Minister of India, so both of them are my inspiration.
Wow. And why?
As I said, Mother Teresa was kind, and she throughout her life, she just spent her life in being kind to people and being service to people. So even I want to do that. But yes, of course, being kind to people and by educating people. And Indira Gandhi, I don't think anyone would not, I mean, she would be a role model for everyone. She has done such great things. She has achieved in her, I mean, so many things, a lot, in fact, being the Prime Minister of
India, I would say.
Yes, exactly. In itself is a big thing. And she was a very disciplined person and a very focused person with a vision. She was a visionary thinker is what I like the most about her.
Absolutely correct. Now, my next question is, it is a bit tricky, but I hope that you'll be answering us in a good way. And that is, if your life was a movie, so what would you title it as and why?
मैं हीरोइन हूँ. ये पिक्चर थी करीना कपूर की. Do you know that?
It was heroine only, no?
No, मैं हीरोइन हूँ. It was heroine only. मैं हीरोइन हूँ भी कोई थी ना मूवी. Should I Google it?
मूवी का नाम हीरोइन था.
हाँ, तो फिर मैं हीरोइन रखूंगी अपनी पिक्चर का नाम, because मैं हीरोइन हूँ अपने लाइफ की. मैं हीरोइन हूँ.
Absolutely, it is like every female should have this. Come on, I am awesome. I may have a lot of imperfections, but still I love them. I love my imperfections. Great.
Right.
So,
right.
Now the last question is based on that aspect which we have not talked about, and that is, describe yourself in 3 words as a parent. As a parent, okay? You have to describe yourself in 3 words.
Pretty, perfect, polite, Preeti.
Wow.
Pretty, perfect, polite, Preeti.
Wow. So you had that in your head, or did you just imagine that I am going to ask you this?
No, I didn't imagine anything. लेकिन मैं गॉड्स ऑफ ग्रेस मुझे ऐसा फटाफट से आंसर आ जाते हैं, भगवान मुझे दे देता है और मैं बोल देती हूँ.
Wow, this is like wow, awesome. बड़ा मजेदार रैपिड फायर था, wherein मैं ज्यादा shocked हुई.
But it is all because of God, the God whom I trust. अभी मुझे, yeah, it's only because of Him, only because of Him.
Absolutely. Even
Whatever I say and I do, it's only because of Him.
This is one of the quality which we all should have. We should always be grateful for every moment. Like presently, we both of us, we are in different cities. You are sitting in Thane, I am sitting at Lucknow, but still we are connecting with each other. And this is because of His grace only that we are able to share with each other, and thereby we are going to be heard by so many females, so many people out there. So of course, I too believe in this, that there is certain connections, there is certain things that God has done. God does it, and He just brings people at the right time, at the right place, just at the right moment.
Right. And I'm so much very blessed and grateful to only to Babaji. Thanks to him.
Seriously.
For giving me this wisdom so that I was able to answer to your questions. Thanks to God.
Yeah, first thanks to God, so that we were able to have so many good examples from you, so many learnings today. And I'm sure that this episode is going to be a very insightful one for everybody, because it has all the things that we need to adapt, we need to learn as well as unlearn. So this is a thing that we need to celebrate ourselves, right?
Definitely.
So thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us, for gracing our platform and sharing so many wise wisdom, thoughts and experiences with us. Thank you so much. It was a great experience.
Thank you, Karanjot. All this time, I realized that now I looked at the time below it. I now realize that it's almost 45 to 15 minutes. Talking to you was a great fun, Karanjot. Thank you for having me here.
Oh, thank you so much. The pleasure is all mine. It was an honor to have you. Thank you so much. And okay then, bye-bye to all our listeners, all our viewers, and we'll be back with our new guests in our next episode. Till then, take care and don't forget to celebrate yourself. Thank you. Bye.